And she also look for all contributing for Ekona, Tiko, Linde, Moyoka, and Kumba. And don't forget the one over Thailand too for Masarakan, Sakonakon, Bangkok, all contributed to Thailand. How are they? I hope say all man they fine. Now welcome for our Pigeon Talk show, and then a time for another two ladies. Tolin Padimendem, we get Brother Charlie as usual. Don't come back to Louis. You get another person here, Mr. Alex, be there last time for Nakuli Way, and we get my humble brother, man for Toli for show every day, Mr. Arno. So now then we'll check out story with today. We get plenty of story for discuss with you now today, and they will hope say we will like the story that we will share with you now today. So more not talk plenty, more start the show.
Mr. Kelly,
yes,
all things they find, all things they find. The only problem now this we are Corona will always is single every day because things they need to move as usual. Yeah. So all things that we talk and I salute all country people for outside the way when they watch this our program. I salute to now big salute for now.
All that. Yeah. What about Alex?
Well, I'll say thank God as we see they alive today. Yes, we just give all the thanks to God. The only thing where the worry we now are this sick. The red way the thing they take and climb, my head is cut. I just say, me just God just continue for the guide me. So yes, thank you.
Guide way. Now God they protect all my my brother and all. See, how to the 36 with their outside.
My brothers and sisters who papa them, who mommy them, who picking them when they day outside. Mona pray for we of this coronavirus don't too much. Man, no nothing will do again. So the way where they think they increase every day. Yeah. But Thailand, you worry. I think when I pray for we
14,500 for today.
No, you really worry. And
the boredom. I will decide say more the entertainment.
Now for sleep, woke up, sleep.
So no, you really worry. The number don't really decline recently.
14,500. Yes, so far in Thailand.
But we pray say there's a thing that go work, find thing that go better.
For sure.
Yeah.
Because the position where Thailand is as well. For this COVID situation.
But still, they don't talk. I said they want open borders. They want tourists for camp. I don't know how, because at first, right, this thing before being at 200, 300, they make state of emergency, they declare state of emergency. Yeah. Now we don't reach to 4,000 something. 14,000. 14,000. I don't know.
They say the one, the economy is suffer, people they suffer,
yeah,
so they will open border. But more job billion until so policy makers and they know what they do, right? Now their work for make all this policy, we will not know what to go on. So we just follow their lead.
Yeah, I believe so. Then they know better. If they want open borders, where they see the rate where they think they move on, then now they want open borders. That means if the thing goes, it go triple or it go.
But now when the people that take vaccine, they think they instant increase so now for say waiting. They think they really pass me.
The problem I say now, they think now people them where they come off all the size and Conken, Calasin, Raw Egg. Where they be based for that side where they get corona, they transfer them now.
They come inside.
And live there, transfer issue. We will continue. Transfer them. Transfer them.
Yeah, for their own place now.
Watch this video then. See, after watching the video then, I will let me on and tell me what to think about the video, okay? And I hit play more go.
You must gather courage before you go. I go back again small.
You want flat?
Only we want me for his skin.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Oh my God! Look, die!
Even they already succeeded.
Stability, no video.
No, you know if that play with that level, it will go. Yes, because
now those steps, the stability.
No, the problem is that stage then so no. People remain for the first one, for 4.
No, that's
when one go up again.
It go with speed. So that's without speed.
So remain for that first level.
No, actually, if you watch the video, so small picky when not to go on. You say what is happen, Papa? What you go tell for the video?
Make a laugh small, man, laugh my finish small. I don't watch this video before I see that, so I don't believe I should so I don't laugh. So I laugh this thing I see. You know, sometimes when you don't take alcohol, The way you eat the seed. For you see that thing they say, maybe they very close for it. But that no say alcohol the inside way. If you make them, you see, because as I was it tastes that plant. It tastes that about 2 times. Then I eat fire. Then I still say if it gets more stability, if you climb those steps. But I see hit and so back onto those plants that they plant. That step they're not on top now. Is stability if you carry go in and then I take that air back into the water. The under normal circumstances, if you ask me, if some Matikin asks me so, not drunkenness now. two words. The man don't drunk, and the man don't drunk. Stability. He don't lost stability.
Okay.
And that's why you find it so much inside the water. So
climb.
Alex,
so you see,
first of all, I would say too much of alcohol is not good. Yes. For drink plenty, good. And if you see, still young man. I will blame the people that wait and there for you back. Because as it makes so that they laugh. What if he jumps on they won't come back? He now I hate for day, he die.
Not a problem.
You see, no? So I don't really know. Some people they just drink to an extent, maybe for so even fit for provide for a family, for house. But even for me myself, I doubt I'm say person go drink to up to this extent for saying if you work at own and say no if no road. Because as for me, I never ever drink to I talk so, I lost road, I behave so. For me, when I drunk, I don't know, it just be like my belly the bite na bite. I never ever drunk today, I say I see you, so say how many, I mistake, I see the man call and say the one. No, I never ever drunk so.
Okay, so not drinking because of the force.
Yes, not drunk in a way, fine, fine. Now still young man, as it starts so, that for you.
I know. That put they for bag, they say go. And
yes. I will not fine. And as if for the instant they laugh, because if that man be forced, he come back. See, now cover that for that place. If he be knock his for day, he die. The person where the female,
it will be a problem.
It will be a problem.
I'm not sure.
Say life for this drunkenness. That's why they were always there. When you see person way don't drunk, that's why they always say and with people they work for their back. They make fun of the person. So now with this alcohol way they control this man so. You stand for front so for cross that thing so you don't know how way they see that thing. The way they see the bridge for cross up. Therefore you like say it's just like some 1 millimeter so for front you. You say no. The way not be so. And something to why they say when I say they protect that drink. Wait for that. You know what me that drink for?
He tell me before he said
he force over way. He try and say that drink so you don't fall ground. Yeah, because now you like that drink so now you all. If you touch ground or no, you say na lie. Better so man fall over back. Because if officially fall for front, what to make I no fall for front? You say no. What to make I no fall for front? Because he protect that drink. He protect that shot. So he decide say me fall and so back for your back.
Yes.
You see no. So and this drunkenness so it is so not fine. Okay. Some people they drink. When they reach to some kind of level, they stop.
Yeah.
But some people they just drink too.
They drink for fun. Yeah, drink for fun.
They just drink their life. And they work and disgrace themselves.
Okay, what for this situation where people are there for back, the reason the place will be very dangerous and then they stand and laugh. What do you think for that?
The problem I only say this place so the normal road where all man they pass there for clear eye. If you get your clear eye, you pass for it without no problem.
Yes.
Now road where all man they use and pass.
And the people they laugh with
they know say you know for cross up.
They know very well say the situation with that man they know cross that place. So it really
they already close to bring it back again for that.
Anyway, I don't talk of stability. I don't know say we bring it back for so long. And that shot.
And when the shot don't take it, you don't take it.
It's a lie. You see that shot so I never leave.
You
don't cross. Why you not fall for front so?
You know, it came 1, 2, 3. It's a come back again. And 4,
That's why if it come now back.
Yeah, it come now back because he try to protect that bottle. Say no, if something not happen. Yeah, me not happen for that member. So now that he decide to die and go back.
Well,
and they try to put some sense for it. So when we drink, okay, make we drink with some put some limit. Drink responsible. Try to drink responsible. Yeah. So
when you reach for some kind of level, so
okay, Grandma ask you some question. You never drink to you kind level. For that kind of level, where say you drink to you look person say no, even know say the person.
No, for this I never ever drink to this level. Where I lost my own sense. So fall. never drinks it at 4, 1, nothing, no, see this person try to recognize them.
I tell you, I've done drink with some party man who drink for house, drink, we sleep. You woke up for night, you want go piss. You know, so you open wardrobe, so now. You open wardrobe. You open wardrobe, so my wardrobe.
Yes.
If you say it on the end of the toilet, and so you open inside my clothes. If you say the end of the toilet, you open your wardrobe, so you chakara for it.
Because
drunkenness.
me too, it does drunkenness. I never ever experienced them. I never ever experienced them.
Well, anyway, we do hope say any man with the drink for the level where it's system. For drink drunk not fine because it will not only destroy you, it will destroy your family because I'm not saying this. So if any of your family member the way are drunk people they mock you for quarter, you say no go feel happy, even your partner, your mommy or any person. You not go feel happy. So I don't hope say so make any person drink the level where it's system no avoid all this drunkenness.
And so when they make us know because of free, they can't enjoy. So when you go see enjoy because I will never to go, no enjoy the drink. So when they drink and take tablet, drink. So when they drink, go to back cycle vomit and can't continue the drink.
So we do also people they go learn from this one and they go avoid too much drinking. So we'll go for our second story for today.
It is a lamb, nala. You go party pronounce it. I'm not ready lamb, no.
September. December. Okay.
So if that might be a student, now for teaching me understand much better now.
Well, I will say first of all, the first thing for doing I say I go first of all appreciate for your courage. Yes, because Thai people to be so shy when it comes to English. If you get that courage for say if he's like even attempt for read them, I sure say we put more effort, it go know him. And then for that picture, I'm not sure say they laugh na pad, it just be like fun for way to pad do the thing to the job for the you know, see some kind time there, so we see some kind thing. You know me I say they laugh na pad. Now just the way pad they take for learn, now they become the job the thing about funny. So
yes. So why is it apple?
Apple. It's an apple. They say December. Yeah. For which way this man try to talk to her, for that in Turi. This man really shows some effort.
Yes.
He really shows some effort because most of the time people they shy too much. Like when it comes for studying English, you see, this man come right. I mean, for social media, it's really try for learn. You see, even though they pronounce and so wrongly, terribly, but it show effort. Then for that young boy, me I believe from there I know accept with my brother for he laugh at Papa because I believe he know the right pronunciation. He know the right pronunciation. We don't learn at school. That's why he can say Papa they read that the phone. If Papa they pronounce the correct way. That's why they I believe say the small man they laugh. So no, the small man they know and
now okay man I'll cut your back. I don't talk say quite right. It is just laugh now like fun. In the love I'm intentional say if I don't know for read. But I say now the job the way you take a read, they think the funny. You understand?
How they pronounce and the way
they pronounce and
the way you know when they go pronounce.
You know the thing, you know how they pronounce.
So when they pronounce for that own way they pronounce and so it is fun for the beginning.
It's like fun time for the
beginning. Because if they pronounce and the way they really get for pronounce and
okay, you just love it.
So it love it partner they say I don't know.
For me it is love now fun. The fun way they get them from how he part the read the how he call those words. For say the love now no, I don't for that one I don't agree.
Mr. Arnold say for see the man so they really show for funny picking for learn English. Which if this is a bit the man in love for English where they really put the effort for learn now.
The man in love for English now because you know say for their own time
they know we get this kind of opportunities. We're picking, they get them right now.
Yeah.
You say that now. So now, so with this online stuff now, it help plenty parents and now if she don't corner they're picking them, learn 1 or 2 things them.
Okay.
Yeah. So now, so I believe say it can help the part. But the problem now, I say, my problem with the picking, I say, why they laugh the way the party pronounce it? Yeah, why they laugh? Because you know the right pronunciation. So now the party user now in a bit funny or some kind of way. So the highest thing for me, I say, they picking now for even tell passy, na so they pronounce up. Me know instead they laugh, na laugh. Yeah, me instead when they laugh the part and the part na person way you want to learn. If na some kind of parents, so no, you could just stop.
Yeah, you stop them. I know.
The way not stop at me because they try effortful, know something. Because you know, say now, so the corona, you don't make now, you don't stop plenty parents them. They know they go work.
Yeah.
So now they get now advantage for learn some small thing, for learn with their beginning. But instead now, from this thing what they say I'm here. From the two what they say here, they begin the instead love the part because the part is funny. The way they pronounce it. All man, I not even blame the all man.
Any man must laugh.
Any man.
Now I just say, now I talk for you. Now I talk for you. No, it the laugh at the part, but it is just laugh at the way. Yeah, the font way the party, the way
they pronounce.
Yes.
I say, Alex, just if the party don't do back and by now.
No. But for it to say right, the man really want to learn that English because, like for Thailand, it be very, very difficult for say that person that you for pronounce until we know say be wrong. Better no, me not even your pronounce them.
The way they pronounce them.
The way they pronounce them. Okay, just think I say how the man might not say it pronounce them wrongly.
You see, the problem they picking now for enter. You see,
I talk for Thai as a general because Thai man. He no go ever talk, even if he not correct no, he no go talk am. Better no, me just very quiet.
For this one, for those yes, picking them too.
Yeah, now I talk I say okay. So okay, after this one now, right? Maybe the people come by guess okay. The one I saw the column, the one I saw the column, That one I for take am learn. If not even try for learn, so you begin not even know say oh my papi even try for reach so. Yeah. He did try because in those days, you know even study am.
The problem I say
you know study am.
All Thai picking them, that's all they do. Because even some of the students, they are Thai English teacher, they pronounce and different. When they come for me, you pronounce and different. Now they laugh. They say their teacher, they ever pronounce so. Now so them they all. Yes, they say their teacher, they ever pronounce so. They make now.
Okay, like the one for school, like they ever teach you say, stop your mouth. Stop your mouth. Stop your mouth, like begin to talk for class. They talk and say, stop your mouth.
They don't get that from their own.
The one I don't even try to talk and say it's not stop your mouth, it's like shut your mouth. He said no, teacher tongue so do one tongue so say stop your mouth.
Another thing the way I want try for talk, we feel there for you so we try for thinking our own thing way sometimes.
When I just social media
something. Social media,
for fun.
Like that TikTok in the
because the one when you forget their likes and forget their share.
But I'm not sure.
Any man for your right senses, if you watch this thing, you come more like.
I'm not sure from the tongue.
From the way they party, right? Honestly, now the way that you read them, maybe see the fake and the way if you read them. But my own point is I just like the part in love for English, right? For learn another language because for someone like he will really get time for the learner if not really like the language. So I just hope say it will keep on learning it until you know everything for life now by practice. The more you do the more you become better at doing it as you do. So and to other type of it they learn. So me no man no feel discouraged. And even for we, not only for the part, if we get into the learner from now, all of us will get something new to fight for learner. From the beginning, it always very tough. But if we keep on doing it, right? If we keep on for the do and we'll not ever stop for do give up after a couple of time we don't do you can't say everything will become easy and you can become very good at doing it. Just the thing that we're talking. So
okay, like from our small research around for the talk, so you know, so this type of people them they be in love with their country, so they don't like for travel. So most of them they say and say the English, so now it just be useless for them for the learner. Because all I can
some of them they don't really be
you don't feel talk say be useless because English not only for talk, but do business. For travel.
No, I tell you because for their country.
Most of them do business for their country. Because now so when they want to employ you 7-11, they want to go away.
Our next story it be a little bit disturbing. I think make us play some audio more listening before we go for the picture.
This generation now for this listen, network said need a big green clear. We don't have to Dubai airport, so now we'll be safe back there with the Romo and this today. So there are many o'clock for this thing for prison where there is deporting now. So we're playing the kickoff for 4 o'clock for morning time. So we don't have for airport now, so we were friendly. Always right your safety day for inside prison. They don't only come for Lajin building, they can't carry we, they can't carry we for on top of all this thing. We don't know what we will do. I started to do other people, they say, wait, what we don't do. They never tell we started to do that, and they can't win now, so they deport you. No, nothing. If you be no heart, now you for collect document, the righteous now, so I don't know. I come over inside prison, the name as my sister. I the cry, you to the cry, I not just know family for back home, I not just know how it all fair do. I never get no man now, so since from that day, when they catch me that 20 feet, so they can't reach now, and now so man the on phone, man the camp online. I won't just tire, I mean I tire. Now so I was playing the good land now for Yahoo. I will not get no chance for what side would they won't feed it take and say this so man going to say and go for some side. I don't just know. Now I don't know if connect now so man for me go family. You don't say nobody.
This on along you listen to the audio with the game make this also don't know the game name, but don't listen to the audio. From what I search online, I see them for most posts them for and bloggers, they know they write about they still return to this, so they don't arrest about 600 Africans of which 600 Africans so they deport 200 that day, and out of the 200 I think about 6 or 7 are Cameroonians so now one Cameroonian get do that audio which try for tell a friend which they go on, because since they take them from their house on the 25th, they don't allow them to do anything, so their family don't even know where they did, and they don't even know when they reach Cameroon and how they will do. They don't allow them to carry their things in. So I don't know. Sometimes I don't really know. I don't really know what to way. Sometimes we I never say we black people or we African, but some of the things that sometimes really occur, the main person will think they say this. So I don't know that targeting on but actually say tell we when you see images like this or you listen to things like that, so what do you say you think?
Mr. Kelly, I really feel so bad seeing images like this. I feel so touched. Yes, because I don't feel imagine say a country like Dubai, somebody would commit some crime, somebody or two people won't commit some crime. Then they decide to involve all people where they come out. I mean, but if maybe not 2 persons from which I got Nigeria they commit a crime, right? The Nigerian somebody,
one Nigerian we staff
a friend,
Dubai girl,
yeah, and they say it takes some money again. It takes some money from the Dubai girl. Then now Dubai government move around for arrest all other Cameroonians and Nigerians, all Africans, all those who do not be involved for the issue. I don't really understand. Handcuff them, take them back, send them back for their country. So it really looked too poor for Dubai government for do this kind of thing. I really feel so bad. But all that one try for play with our government. When these people arrive for airport, they try for receive them, because they don't go too stressed. They don't go too stressed. Where if the government to just take them for airport, it is send them now for prison. Nothing that way it no go fine. So they only try to play to the Cameroon government. When they arrive for them, they try to see how they try for giving them some support when they find their way back to their various homes. It really be so pathetic.
Yeah, it really looks so funny. It really looks so bad for see and the thing that really vexed me now. See the thing where they put on their foot, they run a shackle, they call on a handcuff.
This one is a handcuff. This one now.
I don't understand. Hey, Mr. Alex.
The thing, Massa, it be so bad. I say and so I nearly cry. Just imagine say you sleep, you just didn't say a room, you just sleep with nothing, nothing. You want just say you can not just carry you go to put in our prison. They not talk nothing, they don't even think you go court, they not tell you no reason. So I think say now they're right, if they're legal, if they live for them legally, they get right for know why they arrest them, they get right for know why they send them back. But if they not give them those reasons, I think say their government, they get for blame. They get for blame them. They get for hold them responsible. 1 or 2 will not commit crime just because of skin color. They arrest all man. It not be so. For every country, will get criminal them.
Yeah.
No, now because of skin color. Say no. Think the way the white skin they only do, it pass on the way the black skin that they do. No, because they didn't want to do so, you just can't say arrest all man. That one, I think that one a childishness. Yes. It be so bad. And then they put handcuff for hand and for foot, both men and women. Nobody even say they resist. Nobody even say they resist the arrest before they put them. So we're not correct. Not correct. Right up to airport.
Yeah. Look, this one of the heavy handcuffs, look their food. That is changed and they used to.
That one for slave trade. Those of
slave trade.
You're not correct.
Look the heavy handcuffs.
Not correct.
Well, no. So it's
too bad.
So what did it really go through your mind?
The problem I say, when I see the kind of thing there, so God, I say God, what did really happen for Africa? Because in general, the kind of thing that's already happen only for Africa. The kind of thing not happen for Europe. Because how one Nigerian guy could kill a Dubai girlfriend, the girlfriend, it if money go, and then now person will not even be involved. People they don't be involved, but they pay for things where they don't even know. It not be possible. And one thing, they just chain them like like slaves. Like slaves them. And then now they just deport them anyhow. And then how about their properties then? Their money? That means for me, they like say the Dubai, they know, authority they know, because they don't go carry anything. That thing they will go outside. If they get bank account the way their money, then they will give them back for them.
Government, that one go be now government.
So for me, they like say they did know thing where they do. Because person no fit commit crime and then now you arrest, you just arrest.
You just do like a revenge.
You want come, you see person we get the same color.
You just arrest.
You just arrest it. Now, the problem too, I gave a talk and I say, Africans, our leaders, them, may they put mouth for the kind of thing. Yes. May they invite Dubai authorities, may they talk this kind of thing. If we leaders, them, they should don't quiet. See, now so they always do with we, Africans, blacks, because we're black. Then how the world be?
They are national including there for Africa. They
for Africa. They do things the way. They do things the way we not even do them.
Because if they do until the same answer,
they will not do anything. But the other way for their own country would suffer. It don't make sense at all. So if we leaders them, they don't put hand for this kind of talk. Let me say it will only continue so forever. They will always be maltreated with. Slave trade no ever can finish. Yes. It no ever can finish. Because you want a slave trade. Their families they now they will surprise to see them back home.
With nothing.
And maybe some
people the way they will go reach for Yaoundé. They not even get transport to go back.
You know, even to go back. They will take the go put them for Condé game. They don't even ask what happened.
Even call. They will call now how where they not take anything. So it don't make sense. It be very, very bad. See, at least me Africa try for be united. If Africa not be united, this thing then so it will only continue. If we not unite, if we not be together, they always demand.
The thing I say is so any country get the right for deport people that they stay for that country, they don't get the right document then.
But this one they get documents there.
This
one they get documents.
And any country get the right for deport, even the person, if you don't want it for your country anymore, you get the right to say this, so go about your country, will revoke the visa where you get them.
But not this kind of
way. But not
this kind of way. The method not good.
Now you go really differentiate, now you go really make a difference the way use them. Because if you ask me about all the things they shackle there for their foot and their hand, it made them look like criminal. And from the article, they some of them they do a shower work for day and all those kind of things. Yeah, maybe they want to clean their country. That's a normal thing. If you say so, when I do a shower, no one our country, we want to go. But now if you did arrest them, you handcuff them like criminals, them or like see the level like those master criminals, them. Everything look funny all over again. You cannot say this. So for this 21st century, people they go for they treat other people in a kind of way. And most of the time when you see all these things, you go to ask and say, what should be the problem? Right? There's a cause to all these things. It bounces back to we back home, how our countries in there. You see, all this moving up and down. So what did they go do for Middle East? What did they do for they allow that kind of study? So as I said, those questions, it bounces back to how our country they need the cause. And so except the people they be in charge, the government leader they be in charge, they handle problem that they from the grassroots. We will still get similar things they because Dubai authority they know say that country they are a very broad country. Yeah. That people they know affect on nothing. And they'll come back on nothing. So if we lock them, we allow handcuff the law, take all things. their leaders and their embassy, whatever, no will talk anything.
They not fit do am so for US national. They not fit do am so.
Yeah,
They not fit.
Yeah.
You see
Because they
what
go
we-
retaliate.
things like this, one will be try for see when this Dubai government they don't deport all these people, they go back for their various countries, right? It is Dubai people they get embassies and they get their Thai nationality for all these countries.
Yeah.
The reaction for some of these people where Dubai they send them back, so how they feel say these people will look at their own nationality for different countries. And just like what did happen for South Africa when Nigerians they attacked when South Africans
Africa,
they
they
attack
attack foreigners,
foreigners. The repercussions for the families for those South Africans when they did for their
Different countries.
different
different
countries.
countries.
Nigerians they be born, they be destroyed a lot of things
Yes.
just because the years they don't born their brother this thing for year, they don't kill the brother friend, so too they act for this kind of thing.
Grandchild,
Yes.
I don't want for personal level. I feel say it be okay. Like Nigeria own for a bars and for South Africa, right? Nigeria be bonbon president for Nigerians be bonbon South African business for Nigeria, right? But my point down at the individual level, more my point at the government level, right? If this kind of thing they happen, so Dubai government don't contact Cameroon. I think I will get
Yeah, so
consulate
nothing
for
they
Dubai. If I
happen.
don't make me to get consulate for Dubai or get one Saudi Arabia.
The consulate will not get her now. Dubai consulate, not the Cameroon.
No, so we will get them
We'll
for
get
Dubai.
consulate.
For Dubai.
Yeah,
Dubai.
yeah,
We'll
we'll
get
get her.
them. If
They
you
will
go to
contact
Dubai,
them,
we'll get
yes.
one for Saudi Arabia.
Saudi Arabia.
Wait, if you take care of the whole of Middle East, you're supposed to contact them, test, I think they will go on. I don't believe so they don't even do any, they don't even inform themselves, I think them, you see. So, and most of them say this, they really vex me for this thing, and it always happen. I say, when they don't bond always in and back home, so our government will talk,
Nothing.
No,
They don't remain silent. They just remain quiet.
I said instead of a talk, they go take you go lock and a lock
Lock
am.
'em.
So we
That's why-
ask you for travel.
That's why they try to
Where
beg
they
for
can't
you, say-
instead of a day
You
fine.
know that they beg for you, say, when they reach so for airport, me they not carry this girl again. They try for beg to come and
No,
stop it.
they go lock am.
countries,
But you know, say they not feel left them so
They not feel level.
Instead, they
It's-
do
it's-
worse
it's-
things.
because the problem now I say now, as we they deport them, so think the way they go write them
Yes,
about those people,
those people.
they not feel release them, so they get for lock them.
No, but why they go follow the lucky with their people, their writing? So
No,
if-
they will say they must write a report.
They will write their crimes.
Yes.
They
Here's the
will write
thing,
their
right?
crimes.
Here's the thing, right? You did move example for
So when they write it right inside their passport,
Now why they
someone
don't say
inside
they
their
the writing will not be real.
Move example for
It not
Thailand
be
here,
real.
right?
Yes.
You go for know your people them. I'm not saying not be all of us will be good people. Some of us will do bad things, right? But if we see them send them for group, so we all those writing them, you go for us and say, Mama, tell me what will happen.
at a particular time.
You know, say,
At the
man of God,
particular
just
time.
man of God, na news, na media, this get the report so.
Yes.
It don't go viral. That report, only the report where that get the report so for this thing for airport.
So kids be happy. I think the other kids, I think for Kuwait where they take our girls and they treat them like has get the
Yeah.
So I believe so our authorities, especially the immigration, we don't know how this country they did. So if you see the report from Dubai, you go for no see the report in a fake report that they do and so. Because no be the first time this thing they happen for Kuwait. They treat the girls and the girls they even go come on, so they go for CRTV, go talk on news, go give their experience, which they
Yes,
face
I will watch that program.
So still yet the government not they do
No,
anything.
do know nothing.
They not do nothing. So the problem that
so
we
if we get
did.
weak government, then I don't know.
So the highest thing that I say, me Africans they not travel go Dubai. Me
They go
the
do
Dubai
wetin?
people they dey for.
They go do it. They go there for the country to do it. That is the
But if
problem.
they treat who citizens and so.
The problem is that if government for credit jobs, who for
Yeah.
travel? If government don't create jobs, One thing again I say-
me they create with jobs. So
Yeah.
that mean they don't go for them.
may they not go for
Yes,
this.
that's the problem.
Because if all man get job, who for hungry for come out?
No man
Who
for
for
like
hungry?
for the go outside.
Just imagine say,
So they deport them now, so they know say they will still enter back.
just
They
imagine
give them
say,
money.
just imagine say for a country, Cameroon government will take contract again for Chinese man. Chinese man will go for a country, bring all the workers and can they work. Government will also show the look and so. What you want to?
We just hope today, so the authority in place or the whoever be in place or the girls that they deport them, maybe next time they will look for a better place to go. At least we know say a heart everywhere. But sometimes me I always believe say Middle East not be always the best. And so me I don't always believe it. But I will move just they will get fine and then the girls and they'll return home safely. So the next one of this picture where I see am for what Anglo-Thai they now I see my account more discuss with about the picture.
For Western region.
More tell what really happened.
Bafusan,
So you see,
Yes.
and I three-star policeman that
Star,
right.
officer the police.
You see,
When a parliamentarian just you woman.
I know it
Parliamentarian.
Yeah, parliamentarian, yeah,
Yes,
parliamentarian.
parliamentarian.
So what if it really be the problem where the man the pointy finger so or anger so Mr. Alex?
You know say for
Okay, from what you are hearing, I say that day, even at that feast of Ramadan, where they pray.
Yes.
So as they pray now, big governor for that region, even that Muslim.
Yeah.
So as they pray, so police and block road, me no motor no pass go up. So as the parliamentarian come now, it breaks me left me pass. So upon order bag, you know fruit. So now from there now shouting just start all that kind of thing too. It's a parliamentarian. Don't say wait. You know, for Cameroon, once you get this blue uniform, once you don't put that khaki, you know so be all and all.
Yeah.
Law need to follow them.
Yeah, law
You commit crime, so you say, oh, for Cameroon, all that. So for this thing, I say be so bad, or not get respect, especially military and police people them for uniform.
Yeah.
They not get no respect. They not get no respect because because the system that way God will not make us say law need to catch them. Law need to catch them. And even the way they take an arrest criminal for Cameroon is not correct at all.
Yeah.
You see the way and image the surface for online, but still here the government need to do nothing.
Yeah.
Even if they just say they don't do so, they don't just put down so nothing will happen.
Yeah, I know. We don't really know what will happen between the man and the woman, but we all know our country or we know how the police people they behave. Understand? So from there, if you understand what if you don't happen, see this so because policeman they say the only like Mr. Charles Nalaya at all because
No, for me, what I try for, if you talk now say, and it's just look me all these kind of things why they laugh at the way the country go because now they make the laws for that country and now they protect now they try for make that laws now that particular man we did for them.
Parliamentarian.
That now she's a parliamentarian. Now parliamentarian that now. I like with respect if they no fit make give some laws some firm laws this man so this. More policeman officer, the police no fit can stand for
the man don't reach officer the police.
Inspector of police or I don't know what they call it.
You don't reach.
He no fit come also to talk for parliamentarian.
So you the one parliamentarian.
What I try for talk now say if inside parliament they no fit come out with firm laws and then make a these people and so they try for execute and they put a fine. You know go see small policeman so it stand for lawmaker for parliamentarian. They want it so for open broad daylight for one lawmaker, and you will see say this thing go just make now so he just died and that man will tomorrow you want go for control. You see that small police inspector is standing for them to do his work. So now this one so it is shown as song. It is shown as it try for put sense for these parliamentarians ahead. So that whatever thing what they want try to do for that parliament, they make sure say it remain for a big good so it go protect every Cameroonian. Yes.
True. So that they make the law.
Now they make the law. So if they don't put laws if you protect every Cameroonian, it will bounce back to them.
Exactly.
Now so Mr. We were first reports on case too so they stop it too for auto. You want to say parliamentarian? They say it's a they want them na Yaoundé. This may go for Yaoundé.
No, some part Yaoundé.
Yes.
Yaoundé. Because
Okay.
they don't fit all they do the parliamentarians they're nothing because they don't fit do anything. So they think they bounce back to them.
Okay, we'll go from Mr. Arno. Mr. Arno, you see, as not in the level of parliamentarian and policeman, not in the level of man and woman. You think say man picking get wife for talk for woman, take finger put down for your nose, not correcting so.
The policeman are crazy man. Because even so, see man picking you got the one woman so they put their hand for also. You know they respect the woman.
I said for the video, he really push the woman.
You know they respect the woman. We get for respect woman. So you not get for inside population or inside some kind of place, market or which kind of place.
Woman.
And then they harass the woman, even warning. That means if people if he kill the woman now, if he box the woman, if he fight the woman, simple woman so with their uniform.
Now police brutality, this
Yes. When them get for the protect people them, citizens them. But instead, you warn the woman.
No respect.
No respect, no day no.
They block her because of prayers.
And I person the woman.
They block her because of prayers.
If the man see
the man did there. He be there inside the motor, be there inside the
the policeman don't respect the woman and the man. And even the woman in a position.
Yeah,
you know the respect it.
The thing I say,
it be too bad. It be too bad. If government they not intervene for this kind of thing.
Okay, what of the situation why here they turn and say they be because of prayer and now they block road. So what you talk for that point?
Because it shows because the woman not be Muslim or how.
Now I thought it be right for first block road as may do prayer.
But why they
how the program for affect when I prayers?
They pray for that road. They pray for main road.
The thing where they say now it shows say no. this woman not be a Muslim. Now why not?
He the policeman a Muslim. He just a Muslim.
We don't always know how we pay the and the kind thing that they go or pay. Sometimes many things that they just go. They people they uniform people they do their own thing. They
uniform people them so
they don't even care which they even go on. So they just do their own thing anyhow as life for do. I've been say this. So if this uniform man, the 3-star man, they talk with the woman calmly and nicely, explain what they go on.
If you tap you for back, if you tap you for back, so yeah, you understand. They go chat.
But we still know how we kaki people then they for pay. When they don't give kaki, me well and they give this thing plan for you onto your shoulder. So now all that so.
I see you gone so now power that thing.
Don't be no money talk with you again.
Because
so,
if the thing so
really fine.
If we go for that, you for say we don't move that.
You know really fine. If
push here.
I say really push it fine.
Push it after don't go round and push.
Yes.
And secondly, to now woman to at least man picking governor see this so you know go for talk the rest hand for woman. You know, fine. And the man is woman. Even the man, even if
I said the man be there for the man be there for the presently.
We get for respect women.
Because if I'm a woman, you know, if you do that kind of thing, go free.
Don't come to the woman, it will be much more better.
You know, if you point my woman, where you are not
you present.
Push for my present.
Make some person
say you don't respect me.
You do something bad.
Yes, not saying I'm a woman, but the position. The woman in position.
It's in that. So
give her respect in position too.
But anyway, according to the story, right? Sometimes to maybe the woman the two sometimes friend for just avoid certain things. I don't know if another road be there with the forfeit pass, and I don't know why they block road, but for avoid them, they need for just not for confront the policeman.
Whether that prayer will take place for on top road too.
So
I don't understand.
Where
did it block road? Prayer will
just hope say no, Mr. Charles. Just hope say so. Some of this thing they happen, so need people learn from it. And one thing are blaming game, you know, wherever end, who did what and when, you know, wherever end. So now people know this, so this kind of act them, you know, really fine. You don't get right for point woman finger right for you know, right for it, but for public for that matter again. So I hope so the government will they be in charge, will they try to look into the issue because they always ignore them. I say go they happen again and again and again and again.
Now disgrace this now. For uniform people.
Yeah, some will go for
disgrace.
And disgrace to the parliamentarians too.
Yeah.
As a country as a whole. The country as a whole.
It looks so sad and we don't believe I say so a human being that will do so. According to the story, they say this guy the Bamenda, man from Bamenda, he get
for my 8.
Yeah, he gets some massa online. I don't know if it happened between he and the massa or the massa say go marry it. The massa no one picking no. Say he carry poison. He carry poison. He two picking and they drink that. So I don't know, Mr. Charles.
Decided to poison our 2 kids after
if woman they don't start poisoning their own picking, it is what they well don't become.
That question be directed from
Mr. Charles.
Mr. Kelly, this one, I see this word only changed to something different. Because I don't believe, say, woman, I know how, I hear and I say, woman, say, if you say for born a biscuit, if you say for do so that biscuit, and the pain where they go through for come out with picking. The woman, when he open his skin, he come out with picking. That's a woman, he take a hand, he kill that picking. Me, I look this thing, let's say this girl it not be normal. Because your own pain where you feel them. For 9 months you carry this belly. After that 9 months, you take the pain, you born this picking, you raise this picking for some certain age. Now you kill her, and not be 1, not be 2. There must be something wrong. Something will surely be wrong, this girl. Because no normal person with a normal brain, normal senses, if you do it with this girl, do and so. I tell you. I don't believe it. For person will be normal, if you do it with this girl, they do and so. For kill the own 2 picking them. I believe that the other 2 they still be hospitalized. I think that the other 2 them. Yeah, I see for the because I try for the woman poisons 2 poisons to death 2 of her kids.
Yeah,
2 others hospitalized. Yeah. 2 they still let me say we begin at 4, one take at 4 safe. If one just move, take 4. This woman, there must be something wrong with this woman.
Mr. Alex, you think say maybe this woman needs small contribution or na
I think say the one also na really the one are really crazy. Na really crazy. From the age 26. They get 4 picking them. That one the ratio say it will be around
hot head there.
Hot head. And then I don't know which kind of love go make us tell you you kill your own pikin.
Even get audio.
Your love and say no, married person you don't get pikin. So once you kill that pikin, wait to go still change the fact say you don't already born. You know, change the fact. Just imagine say you born pikin, raise and still be for that age. You want to kill her again because of love. I think if that one now, I feel like naturally controversial the following because not be normal. Like seriously, yes. Now I can tell you, so I'm gonna don't blow at your fire for your head. Some person don't usually blow at your fire for your head. Yes, because I sure say it not be normal. For say you carry begin for 9 months, not be 1, not be 2. You go push them, you train them, you raise them to the level. You just miss Gamarine for some 2 minutes. You give me drink and die. Now say they don't blow at your fire for your head. It not be normal. Like seriously.
No. That's not true way Alex talks say again so now papa they do am for village.
One thing we might fit talk and say
normal thing.
I know fit talk say this one I love. Because if na love, you know if you kill picking the way you don't born and suffer for so long. You don't suffer, carry the picking them. They can't reach for this stage. And then now a person go come for social media, they sing love. Say you want marry you and you know one married person where you don't born. And then you forget about that love where you get them for that picking them. And they suffer, you don't suffer with that picking them. And then you decide to poison that picking them because you are married that man. Okay, you don't poison that picking them, you go marry the man. You go prison now. You don't go marry the man.
Even the man can discover.
Even the man discover say he don't kill, you don't go marry them.
No, but we say you don't discover.
You don't make an asshole. Some of your family members. If any man get relationship with family member, they will consent this girl. He will cut the relationship.
Yeah, cut them.
All man go fear no.
Disgrace for that family.
If you say nothing will they for blood for their family, they kill. So if I come to you and say I love you and you get picking them, even your sister I own picking them, or your cousin picking them, you feel kill them. You.
He get mommy self. Then that person will just say no get mommy.
So you know
why not just take a picking and go love for mommy?
So this one be madly in love. Video talk saying and Chris and love together.
He gave mommy, mommy is strong, so
you know be normal.
For your take the kill, so give mommy say take him, I take and dash you.
Mr. Kelly,
Yes. You think I kill him?
This girl don't lay curse for inside family as a whole. Any man people be like it might say be get some kid sister
for that family.
Any young man now we go just see this way which way this woman.
Oh, just relate.
Before God, man, that relationship goes it will cut because you will just believe saying that blood for that family. Now, so if it happen to one this way,
now which kind of love? Now which kind of love can make them you kill your two picking them? So which kind of love?
So Mr. Anderson, you think it be normal love now? Solely something we don't go wrong for the girl you hate on
No be normal love. Now the love where the boy sing them for you so you carry a head.
Wait, so okay, now they get do because of love or they get do because the person do for you?
Now because of love, where that boy sing them for you.
If you want to begin
yeah, he kill it on.
I'm not sure.
Me, I don't believe for that one.
I'm not sure.
If you say that because of love.
Because the condition where come for the love, now say the boy no one picking them. You say no.
You know what? The talking of when devil, especially when devil want to do something. He need just do and straight so.
Anything he must
pass
through. All man they blame the devil. Even love they will blame devil.
No, talk. See, any pass
through. Much now, all man go just talk say devil do this one, devil do this
okay,
one.
you know say
love girl na devil.
You know say all these accidents where they occur so no be normal. All the accidents they occur no be normal.
Someone so na the driving system.
Yes, na driving system. But someone in the way you know be abnormal.
Okay, I'm more come back for this topic, right? For the gay case, right? I just not say this so. No really know what it really go on, but for a person for do the kind of act for really kill his own picking, they not be even own picking, but kill any person, it be very very bad. It be very very bad. So I just hope and pray say whatever way if they go on for the gay head, maybe if he get some problem them or if that person do at least make them go help the girl recover from what way they go to. But if they get do when their own heart is and for doing everything they clear, may do with your own thinking. They make you only face a punishment because at least anything you do, you have to be ready for face the consequences then for the thing. I know that I don't believe them because now very bad act that. And for all the future girls or all the future mommy then within the please now own picking them. You know if you really born your picking so far raise the picking so then don't kill them again.
Yeah.
It'd be very, very bad. Very, very bad.
One day so you
so
don't kill them.
If anyone think about killing somebody, if the person knows it, they'll say be very bad and make it stop for that kind of act then. A very bad act then that so So I think all the story that we'll get on for today. But before we go, we'll give Bachale just 1 minute. Make it just round up. If you get some small thing we'll talk on, make just round up before we end the story for today.
Mr. Kelly, I would like to talk again more concerning this girl. Maybe this thing try to make with our fellow sisters then. This thing try to put some senses inside their head. Which way this girl don't do, like can make it repeat itself again, because not only because it killed that two picking them, the life for any other person it be valuable. So they try to see how we love one another. Then concerning which we don't try to talk again today, like drunkenness, we will try to drink responsible. Wherever we be, we try to be responsible. We not drink to stupor. We will drink so you feel even go kill yourself because you don't see maybe in job. So I'm going to try to ask our followers and say they try to follow our program time and again, because from what way we try to talk, it be so educative. We try to follow our program time and again.
Thank you. Mr. Alex.
Okay, for Tori for today, the one way hold me past now this lady way iki this before picking and so even if na waiting. But me I thought say because from the way I see I'm 26 years old girl will get 4 picking them. It really shows say if the already been a hot heck.
Yeah.
So I would try to say we the parent then more try for the race for picking them for the way they will get the fear of God. Because me I really think say if this girl will get a fear of God, you really know if fear God so enough for do this very act. Yes. So I will blame the parent to the way they bring the picking, the way they raise it up, the way they raise the picking up. Yes. Now the small that I want to talk, this matter so overhauled me for today. So
Mr. Anno, you love the last so
The one way follow me to the one man around with that party driver. The driver in 12 months of the year.
12 months of the year.
They think funny means will go past.
That's April.
Funny means will go past, and then they begin to sit down, they laugh, they enjoy it. They enjoy part. So I enjoy the one to take go past.
Yeah.
So I try to talk say me some of these our parents, the way they know we get opportunity for learn something in their own time. Now so they get the whole time now for them.
Yeah.
Because this COVID don't come now, so give them time now. They know they do anything. So they sit down now with their students with their picking them, they learn 1 or 2 things because begin they study online. Other kind of thing they now so parents they try to help themselves to study. I think that the talk say it be important. Say this COVID it don't come, it bring advantage for parents for study, English and communication. So the second thing we were talking about is 29-year girl where love don't carry for head.
26. 26 forced to the children.
Yeah, we don't know whether na madness or na love. You don't carry you to take for your head. The boy don't talk for you to take. So you skin the shake na shake say.
When they never ever meet up.
Where they never ever can meet up. You say I know. So how you got to talk with person on social media where you never meet up you. He tell you, he the one command you for thing they will need you do. Say at least sometimes you don't promise you marriage. You don't tell say this so I go marry you, I no one picking them. Even person sing that kind of thing for your head to sisters them, I beg. Me man no ever come do that kind of thing. How your own picking the way you suffer for 9 months. More not only talk about 9 months. They picking the be how old. You don't take care for them for how long. And then now person will just surface, person will just come so just some few days or some few seconds, minutes, then it deceive you. Are you human? You be sure the woman, the girl be normal. You could mix poison so put them for cup or glass.
That's why we talk so that cannot be normal.
Yes.
They are picking them, the drink so die. And after they don't die now, so your conscience, how your conscience? Conscience.
They're so they will follow you for
just
the
hope say the girl
God.
go
I
face
beg.
the consequences.
Woman there, I beg. Me man not sing love for you. For social media.
We
You
don't
agree.
really know if that love make it do or not the love
Yes.
make it do. But anyway, na very bad act that.
Very, very bad
Yes, we just hope say this so the girl will get whatever way it become for she. But the one point we are really going to talk before end our show for today about those deportation from Dubai. I know say all of us will travel for go hustle, and most of us the reason why they travel because they so back home, they don't really they fine. Because if any man they waiting they find for back home, you never come out because when you do one man country or where they for another my country, since they will go through a lot of stuff they will go through, then they can't deport you. Where even if you take any of your thing them, it'd be very bad. So when they say they don't take their passport, they carry on for middle night without no explanation, nothing to nothing. They're very bad. And the most painful thing where they say this, so our government never do nothing, never talk nothing. It will just be quiet too. The most painful thing that so we just pray to this so well. More pray for the government to see this so. As time they go on, they will too careful for they put their foot there for ground, for careful for certain authorities and responsible when they do act like this. At least they will communicate the Dubai representative for talk about them, all those kind of things there. Maybe bless you to get government we care about we. Maybe bless you to work like a stray animal then way will not belong to anywhere. So now my own small talk that one talk say, when they get them, where they go, they think at 7 there they go, let them take hard. And so life they not be the end of the world, right? They'll go back to pay, they go struggle to find another place for go, and they will still make them for life. Life now ups and down, right? So it is. So they know cry, they just go. They say one thing is spoil, will fix another thing now.
Yeah. One door.
Another door closed, the other one open. Yeah.
So we don't end our show for today. We thank all now watch and now listen. And like we always talk and say this, so our show be open for any person where you like for come talk with me for year, or can share anything we like to share with me for year. And if you get any particular story where you would like for sharing for our platform, we'll be very, very happy for welcome you for the platform, right? And if you come across any story for any social media site where you think say if you talk about that or where you want us to talk about them, if you just send them to us for our Facebook, YouTube, and the email address, or even for our WhatsApp, we'll discuss them for the show. And also about the people that they do business to Thailand here, those small business men and women there, we will be very happy for promoting our business. So now tell us how now we promote our business there. If now we come for the show, we'll talk about your business, or if we want to call now during the show, may talk about your business. We will really like for help you, okay? Because now if you succeed, we succeed. If you fail, we fail. So now we. So thank everybody for we don't listen for our show. And like always, we'll be very, very grateful. So don't end the show. So we'll say, Sawadee Ka.